Very good morning, friends and traders. Welcome back to my channel, Smart Index Edge. I am Nalnakshi Swami, explaining you rolling pivot convergence and strategy. Breakout trading with S1 and R1 levels. Have you ever noticed how a rubber band works? When you stretch it, it stores energy. Tighter it gets, the more powerful the snap when you release it. The stock market behaves in the same way. Bollinger Bands show us this principle. When they contract, it means the market is compressing, and when they expand, it is the big release, the breakout move. Many of you might have done this strategy and coded, charting screener for that, but failed. Actually, whatever the screener you make, what happens, it will be given only after the action is completed. That is the screener does. You get disappointed. You will not be in the compression to take the action because you will see the release expansion and you fail to enter into the market. Now, here is the exciting part. My rolling pivot levels S1 and R1 behave in a very similar way. When they converge, it is the market coiling like a rubber band. And when they expand in one direction, that is the breakout, the exact moment to enter the trade with concept. Rolling pivots calculate support and resistance levels dynamically. When the market is quiet, these levels come close together, they converge. You might have observed on intraday, the pivots are converging. If you have configured for the 15 minutes, on 1 minute time frame, every 15 candles, they will converge, rebalance, and they will show you the direction. With my indicator, there is no problem. You can be in the trade. So this process happens every 15 minutes if you take convert into rolling pivot setting to 15 minutes, and if your time frame is if you're trading on 1 minute. Suppose if you're trading on the 5 minute, automatically it shifts to hourly balance. When hourly balance, you might have observed on an hourly time frame, exactly from 9:15 to 10:15, again 10:15, 1 minute more, 10:16, if they converge, and then direction will be, they will rebalance with each other, and a direction will be formed for your trade. That is the beauty of this indicator. You will not do any mistake over here. When the momentum arrives, these pivots expand apart just like Bollinger Bands widening. This behavior helps us see when the market is preparing for a move. That is based, you are seeing it live and when it has chosen its direction. Okay, friends, this video is for educational purpose only. It is not financial advice. Please do your own research and use proper risk management while trading. For more details, collaborations, or access to my indicators, check the comment section or description on my video to connect with me directly. I'm going to explain you the things, the concept, and also everything details. The market pivot points. These are the market pivot points are pivot R1, S1. This is a rolling pivot which is dynamic. It calculates the rolling price action dynamically and gives you the support and resistance. So when the market pivot points converge, it indicates compression and expansion. You can see for that, you can see on your own eyes live in the market. This doesn't happen in the dead classic pivots. Those are not dynamic. This is a dynamic pivot. Watch what I've coded for that. So you can be in the trade, you can make out in the live market the compression and expansion on your own eyes, and you can enter into the trade with the help of my rolling pivot and Gann Hilo combination, trend, everything, buy, sell signals, alerts, everything. Here, I've taken to show you on an intraday time frame how the price moved here, and then it was in the uptrend. You can see it is an uptrend, power grid stock. So from 9:15, I've taken screenshot for your sake, and exactly around 10:15, they are converging with their rolling pivot. When they are converging over here, a rebalance line, you can mark the rebalance line over here. They are converging and you are marking the rebalance line. Next, you can see they are opening up. After the convergence, they are opening up. Still, rolling pivot or trend is intact. My indicator giving buy signals. Here, in this, after the moment, see, after the moment, it started coming down the Bollinger Band. This is a trap actually. They will manipulation, they will do, and hourly manipulation, and it has come down. So, like this, and it continues throughout the day. Hourly, again, it has moved higher. It has moved higher. Price has moved higher. We had marked the balance line over here. And again, it is converging at the next hour time frame. Because I am oh, no, sorry. It is every 15 minutes it is converging. Because I am on the 1 minute chart. I have taken screenshot on the 1 minute. Now, after the convergence, pivots have opened up. Pivots, these white color things are neutral. They are telling it is a neutral behavior. But the neutrality of the behavior and the balance line, the price is consolidating beneath the balance line. Price is telling that, and the Gann Helio trend has not done anything. Again, during this convergence, after the convergence, it has moved higher because on Friday, the power grid stock rallied up to 293. I have taken, this is an intraday market going sideways. So concept behind this strategy is rolling pivots behave like Bollinger Bands, S1 and R1. They will converge. They will show convergence, that is market in compression, low volatility. So there you need to watch carefully. You watch carefully. Then if the trend emerges, you will get a chance to enter into the market. If you are on the 1 minute time frame, that can be an added advantage for your entry and scalp very quickly and make profit. Expansion is market choosing direction. Now, when the market chooses direction, what happens to my Gann Hilo rolling pivots? They are dynamic. They change their colors. They change if they are expanding towards the upside. They change automatically. All will turn into green. Or otherwise, if it is going down and the Gann Hilo has turned into red, all the pivots will turn red, and after the compression, the market is choosing its direction to the downside. So you can clearly make out by seeing the convergence of the S1 R1. This happens every hour if it is selected, if you are on the 5 minutes and 15 minutes. If you are on the 1 minute, I have set settings. I have made it for 15 minutes manual setup. Then every 15 minutes, 15 candles, there will be compression and expansion. Compression and expansion will give you an opportunity for the scalpers. Scalpers, you can do a quick scalping and make profit. Within 15 minutes or within 30 minutes, you can get out of the market. That's the beauty of the indicator. So, this is the convergence. Once the convergence, expansion will come. So you need not depend upon any charting screener. They are all old because charting screener, after coding for the Bollinger Band contraction and everything, it gives you alert only after the expansion comes. So you will get disappointed. You will not be entering into the trade. Here, my rolling pivot indicator, even on the daily time frame or the hourly time frame, when you see the convergence, you can enter for a long trade. Long trade, and even you can guess where the compression is happening on the daily time frame or 4-hour time frame. Select the stocks, keep it in quarantine, and you can track them in the live market. That's how you can make profitable trades with this indicator giving you live alert. It is a live alert. You need not depend upon any tips or anything. Even the tip provider will lag. It has to come from him. By the time it comes, everything will be over. That thing is not there. A tip provider is sitting with you. This rolling pivot indicator is like a tip provider, mentor, guider, everything. You will learn the market properly, structure properly. It is going to tutor you in a proper way. So day to day, if you sit with him, this rolling pivot trend combo, you will master your trades and you will become expert. You are not going to lose money. You will trade wisely. You will learn with him, learn with it. This is the tutor indicator which can teach you the trade in a proper way. That's how it is. Why convergence matters is S1 and R1 comes close, market is building energy. Indicates tight range and indecision. Similar to Bollinger Band squeeze, high probability move follows after expansion. It is like this, spring coiling and the expansion. You will be seeing the compression in the live market, and the indicator guides you towards the expansion to the either to the upside or the downside. You are comfortable to take the trade. There is no hiccup or anything. You are going to trade very good. Okay. Convergence is the setup. It tells us the market is in a low volatility state, gathering energy. Think of it like a spring being pressed tighter and tighter. The moment you release it jumps. In trading, this jump happens when S1 and R1 expands away from each other. That is when, with the direction we are going to step in. Entry rules: wait for the S1 and R1 to converge. Tight range, enter long when price breaks and holds above pivot and R1. Here, what happens automatically, you need not worry, and the pivots turn into either green or red, either for short, either for long. Confirm with expansion in pivot levels. So, this is the long trade and the short trade you can take over here comfortably. Stop loss and target placed just inside the opposite pivot. Long trade stop loss below S1, short trade stop loss above R1. Target is next pivot levels or until expansion completes. Generally, risk to reward is 1:2 or better. So you can keep your stop loss, you can monitor your target, What more you want? After the convergence, you are into the action, you are into the event. When the event is happening, next minute, next second, you can enter into the directional trade, and it is a very, very useful and comfortable, because after convergence, expansion with the energy will be blasting. So you are into the energy blast stage where you can make money quickly and profitably. Clear breakout entries it will give. Advantages of this strategy: works across indices, stocks, options, everywhere, even crypto, currency, and commodity, name it. It is a universal indicator, which is designed for swing trade, positional trade, investment, intraday trade, scalping, everything. So, small stop loss, large reward, simple rules, no complex indicators. Similar to Bollinger Band breakout, but pivot based. It is pivot based and live. Bollinger Band also volatility based. It doesn't tell you entry and exits. This, my indicator tells you entry, direction, everything in a clear way. So trading success, it is low risk trade. You can trade with this strategy. You are having low risk and you will be high reward, and you will be entering into the momentum. And the right time you are entering into the at the moment when the event is happening, you can see at the in front of your eyes. You can enter fraction of a second. You can enter into the trade and be profitable with a small stop loss. And you need to follow certain simple rules that you know it. Whoever bought my indicator, they know it already. They are in profitable. They have given me feedback with their satisfaction. I'm really happy for them. Really happy for them. So many people have commented that, given feedback that they were under loss, they are making profit. That is very, 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 very enthusiastic for me, because have made such an indicator, beautiful indicator, which is directly related to the price action. No MACD, no RSI, nothing, no confusion for you. You have clear direction, clear view. Summary is: convergence is the setup, that is low volatility. Expansion is the trigger, direction chosen. Enter with breakout of R1 or S1, tight stop loss, good risk to reward risk. A disciplined way to catch momentum early. Yes, traders, I am repeating again, a disciplined way to catch momentum early. You will be disciplined. You are keeping your stop loss with small stop loss. You are entering into a momentum blast at the right moment, at the right time. No lag, nothing. So, trading success is the convergence setup, breakout entry, and you are getting out of it. This is the concept actually. This is the success. Okay, friends. So remember, the rubber band is equal to convergence is equal to setup. The band is being stretched. Expansion is equal to trigger. The snap, the breakout move, entry is equal to breakout beyond R1 or S1 with tight strap. That's how rolling pivot convergence gives us a disciplined, rule based way to trade momentum, just like Bollinger Band squeezes, but with added clarity of pivots. Try it. You will see how beautifully it captures the market rhythm. This strategy is powerful because entries are very clear, no guesswork. Entries are very clear, your stop loss is very minimal. Works in both indices and stocks, cryptos, currencies, name it. You can use it in everything. Stops are so risk is limited, rewards are big because you catch the momentum early. And it is simple, no complicated indicators, just pivots behaving like Bollinger Bands. Okay, friends. I finished this presentation. If you want, you can contact me. I'll give my contact number in the description as well as in the comment section. You can see over there. Connect with me. Why don't delay? You will be a profitable trader. Thank you very much, Nalinakshi Swami.